Hello friends, let's learn how to make cauliflower curry. Boil water, add salt, add cauliflower, let it cook. Drain water. 1 teaspoon of oil, chopped onions, green chillies, cashews, salt, poppy seeds. Mix well. Transfer to a jar. Blend smooth. Add some butter, cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, bay leaves, curry leaves, blended paste, turmeric, garam masala, coriander powder. Mix well. Add water. Mix well. Let it cook. Add some salt. Add some sugar. Add curd. Mix well. Cook the cauliflower. Mix well. Let it cook. Ready to eat. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe to my channel and bye.